to be with us this evening. Thank you so much, Your Grace. I accord each one of you a special and warm welcome from my side and from the manager's side for this evening function, and I hope you will enjoy every moment and appreciate the efforts and the talents of our children. We believe in the saying, to the letter and spirit. There is an artist within each person, and everybody has the capacity to find creative genius in them. We shall leave no stone unturned to the utmost capacity of ours to inculcate that adage, so as to let each of our children know that there is no shortcut for hard work. Putting one's mind, heart, intellect and soul even into the smallest acts is the secret of success. All of us know too well, iron rusts from disuse, stagnant water loses its purity, even so does the inaction sap vigor of the mind. Gardening requires a lot of water, most of it in the form of perspiration. Don't we realize the fact that in the present scenario of the world, everyone without exception takes the shortcut possible to become rich and famous in the wrong way and for wrong reasons? Should our children follow the same path? It's our conscience-bound duty that compels us and impels us to show them the right direction with right attitude and disposition, with the socio, moral and ethical values. We at St. Joseph's School here at Greater Noida, with all the available resources and capability, do the same as we do in all our schools elsewhere, under our able shepherdship and guidance of chairperson present here this evening. We are grateful to him and his team constantly guiding and shepherding us. We are proud to present to you all this annual report for the session 2007-2008. St. Joseph's School, established in 2000, grown in leaps and bounds from strength to strength, creating its own niche in Greater Noida, catering middle class and low middle class with education in the real sense, without caste, color, creed. Time gone by cannot be brought back, but the special moments of the past are always cherished, especially in the history of St. Joseph's, moving forward in this 21st century in the Achievement Gala. We gratefully remember and appreciate and thank God for the historical tenure of 6 years of Father Paul Tanikal. School shall remain always indebted to him for all that he did and achieved during his tenure here. We gratefully appreciate the services rendered by teachers, sisters, and others who have left us for various reasons. We heartily welcome new faces, Father Suresh Kumar D'Souza as an assistant in the staff, and appreciate their disposition and availability to be the part of this family, in order that all may be happy in their work and assignments. These three things are envisaged or needed. They must be fit for it. They must not do too much of it. They must have sense of urgency and hunger for success in all that they do. Hence, we get everyone involved in every sphere of work, assignments in the school, sharing and availing ample platform for contribution, personality development and leadership quality. Students have their share to show their leadership quality in the school as prefects, captains, class leaders and others leaders as well. We have organized various competitions like elocution, extempore, debate, quiz, etc. to alleviate their stage fear and bring forth their various talents dormant in them. Our students have excelled in various local and national competitive examinations like Science Olympiad, Millennium Examination Certificate, Maths Olympiad, National Talent Search Examination, Quiz Competition, Asset Diagnostics Test, and cultural competitions as well. When so many others cut corners, shave the truth, self-deal, believe in the fast buck, and follow the crowd along the low road of least resistance, can our children even afford to travel high road of ethical behavior? Frankly speaking, we cannot afford anything else. Any other angle of activity and behavior is a pure crapshoot. Besides, with the shaky ethics and shabby standards will cripple the future of these children. We therefore have enough and more value-based learning, tolerance, patriotic feeling inculcated through competitions and national celebrations like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, National Education Day, Martyrs Day, Children's Day, Environment Day, etc. Our children have commendable performance at various competitions held at various venues and agencies. Fitness has a very important place in each child's life, rightly so, in sports and games, which not only shapes our exterior, but also reduces tension and stress level, nurturing the spirit of sportsmanship. A healthy mind and in a healthy body is catered to in every way possible. Our football, cricket and basketball girls and boys teams have been doing very marvelously well wherever they have been. We are happy to note quite a few students come in the evening for the games here in this campus. We are proud to announce that Master Prashant Bhathi has been selected last week itself for the state level football team under age group of 16. Academically, our children are doing much better, and our first batch of ICSE 2007 has been very successful with 100% result, and the topper being Master Shantanu Ramchandran, who scored 92.4%. Our school has grown from strength to strength in all ways, as it is growing in numbers every year. Presently, we have 1,857, to be exact, students on the roll and 70 staff on teaching roll up to ICSE level. We shall soon be upgrading to ISC level, that is +2 level, by next year, if all goes well with the building construction and upgradation process. As you all see that the construction is still on,